we get in the agenda na Rishta Nata, and we translate this Rishta Nata na Urdu word. Rishta Nata na Urdu word, and the Rishta Nata would be used in Urdu for marriage affairs. In saloon, the way I've been say earlier, this na 100 years, the Ahmadiyya become na saloon in 1921. One of the companions of the Imam Mahdi alayhi salatu wasalam, they been sent out to Ghana. But that time the planes, they not been used. Now the ships, they been used. That ship where it been come with it been stopped na Freetown for I think 4 days. That 4 days, sit down, go na a missionary. And a missionary, any chance where you get for preach the message of the Jamaat, go missam. If we enter inside Freetown, if we preach the message of Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat that the Imam Mahdi way the people they wait for, it don't come. Some members they be accept the message way it be give them. Then we go with the ship and go reach to the destination where they be sent. So now the way this Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat being entered in Sierra Leone. And from that time, not to one time, not to two times, many times, all the chiefdom self, they say, okay, this all the chiefdom, they don't join Ahmadiyya. Because the paramount chief don't join Ahmadiyya, so with the paramount chief, all the chiefdom, they don't become Ahmadis now. But where would they check around we self, still Ahmadis, they're small. The non-Ahmadis would they see, the Baku pass, we still, after 100 years. The way the people, when they enter inside the Jamaat, sit one day to you missionary way, they near you and ask that every year, how many new Ahmadis you they give? Sometimes it will be 300, 400, 500, sometimes 1,000. So every year the Jamaat for add. And if you don't begin for add, from 100 years, all man in saloon for be an Ahmadi. If me, na Ahmadi, I don't marry a woman, we na Ahmadi, who don't be two now. If I don't born one Pekin, who don't be three. If I don't born another Pekin, who don't be four. If I don't born another Pekin, who don't be five now. All of Ahmadis. If this Pekin get for married another woman, who don't be now how many? Six. If they don't born Pekin them, 3, 4, 5. So the Ahmadiyya don't begin for add. But inside this country, how many pas and how many mummies they don't join the Jamaat, and they're very strong Ahmadis. Not to ordinary Ahmadis that yes they don't join Ahmadiyya and not to recognize people in this mission. Very prominent Ahmadis. The problem where they been get, not the pair where they make. If the person don't join Ahmadiyya, a very strong Ahmadi, but he go married a woman way not to Ahmadi. Or maybe he don't go married a woman way not to Muslim self, na Christian woman he don't go married. So where they go born the Pekin them, who do they man the Pekin? The mama. Go 9 days with the Pekin all the time. Father, he go up and down for go and find the food for the Pekin them. You know got time with the Pekin them. Who do for man the Pekin them? Now the mama. If mama na Christian, how will they preach the Pekin them about Ahmadiyya? Possible because he knows anything. If the mama not to Ahmadi, how we go make the Pekin them be good Ahmadis? And if we check small around if we sabi pa am na pepel, very strong Ahmadi, very old Ahmadi. The way you don't born the Pekin them they don't born the grand Pekin them for the Ahmadiyya for be big in pepel. But when you check how many members of a family na good Ahmadis, you go see maybe 9 one no more. Or if you get a woman, okay, na 2. What about the picking them? They're not Ahmadis. Just know Pa AM, the one that were in Masoila, they sabi Pa AM. So Pa MI. He became in this Kafugulam, I think in 1970s. And this year he died. The oldest Ahmadi in this region. Where he don't die, he woman them, not to Ahmadis. He picking them, not to Ahmadis. Which kind of Ahmadi is this? Yes, me back attend Ahmadiyya school. So me back in Ahmadi. Now the understanding of that picking way, now the picking of the most prominent person inside the mission in Ugail. Now he make the present Khalifa, he want force this matter. So this is the life of the mission in this country. If you not take care of this till now, this problem will continue for be the way it is today. Naimek, they say that any Ahmadi person where he don't be an Ahmadi if you find a partner with an Ahmadi. So that you go there on the same belief, on the same religion. So where una day on the same religion, where una go get the picking, not the same religion. You know, go divide. The mama they go to Malakiya mosque, the papa they go to Ahmadiyya mosque. The picking, sometime they go to Ahmadiyya mosque, sometime they go to Malakiya mosque. So you don't divide. And this is not a law of Ahmadis no more. This is a natural law where the Holy Quran, it don't mention. He say, Innal mushrikina lil mushrikat. That if you na mushrik, you no believe God, find a partner where no believe God. So you no go day in peace. If you na Christian, find a partner where na Christian of the same nature. So you no say that Christians also they got different sects. Some na Jehovah Witness, some na Catholics, Protestant, and many others. So if you believe in the Christianity when a Catholic kind, find a woman when a Catholic. So we, the Ahmadis, if we follow this pattern way, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, not from today, from the time of the Imam Mahdi alayhi salatu wasalam, he be preach, he be teach the Ahmadis, that Ahmadi person for marry an Ahmadi woman, then all the picking them also, they for be good Ahmadis, and the Ahmadiyya for spread far and wide, and for see baku Ahmadis in this country. The way the message of Ahmadiyya Jamaat would spread, would bring people inside the Jamaat, the other all sects, they know they do. But still we small, now the sickness is this. That way you want make party, you make with a woman way not to Ahmadi. Now you make way una get young age, una all for married. This is not the most important thing where una for find out that if the person where awa married na a good Ahmadi or not. If na good Ahmadi, obviously you for married. Then the picking them also where una get una for train them for be good Ahmadi. If you go for a meeting, go with them. If you go pray, go with them. And then not to you go and sit down in the mosque and come back. Islam, they tell you this also, you for talk to the picking them, educate them. Where you lie down with you picking, tell us stories of the Holy Prophet, tell us stories of Ahmadiyya, tell us that this is not the belief where Ahmadis get, this is not the way for be good Ahmadis. We, not ordinary Muslims, we are special Muslims, where Allah the Almighty don't make this Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, we get responsibilities. So where you don't big, now the responsibility is also you for worry for. All this training where the picking is small, the parents therefore begin. So if they check around where the elders in this country they get any meeting, then they call young people. They say, "Na meeting we got, go play." In Ahmadiyya business, for look no so small picking them where they don't come, say go back. Not to Atfal meeting, this is a Khudam meeting. If anybody don't come, Alhamdulillah, fine. So this Rishta Nata a matter way is very important for the growth of the Jamaat. So that way the Ahmadis, they married Ahmadi. So in other countries like Pakistan, the law is very strict. The law say, if for example me, I am married, and I don't choose a woman way not to Ahmadis. So if I go marry that woman, the Maulvi way go come and announce the nikah, and anybody way you don't attend that this gathering, that program, all of them, the Jamaat go say, una all way una don't join this gathering, una not to Ahmadis again. Now the law is in other countries. Why they not they force this law now? Because the training is small. The culture is different from we Yanda. But Jamaat is the same. So we also for understand this, that if we want for be, because everybody where the parent you want the picking them for be good. No parents, no they way they will say, okay, me picking for be a criminal. Nobody don't want this. And the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat way don't come in this country. Now the best way for training una picking them, anything way the Jamaat they tell una do. Send for class for send up. Who got this meeting, let go there. Who got this program, let go there. That all now for the training of the Jamaat members, not for waste time. Now for the training. Where the picking not they go school. The parents, the brother, sister, all man say me, I got sense, I got beta, I go send her to school. But where the picking, you know, they go for Jamaat classes. You know, I don't tell her, you know, they listen me. I don't tell her, but you know, they listen me. But anybody way I don't ask that if the same picking is say, you know, they go school, you they left also. One person no answer me today in 15 years that yes, I left her. They say, no, they beta. Then would they ask them that why you know they beat up for this Jamaat class? They don't get no reply for that. So as Khudamul Ahmadiyya, this topic where they send, we as Khudam for realize and understand and for put inside we had that any time where I'm married, I for married a woman where na Ahmadi. This is not the purpose of all this paper where they give me. That anybody way you marry, if you marry a woman way na Ahmadi. In the same way, if you got any sister, who married with a boy way na Ahmadi. So in this way, this Jamaat, without preaching, you go begin to grow.